Alright, people. Finally got to get around to it. I don't know where I'm going to set you people up, so you can see this well, but this isn't really going to be so much of a how-to video as a just fucking get it done video and document it while you do it so people can see why you don't like working on stuff. I have a tendency to cuss a lot. It embarrasses me, but I do it anyway because I get mad. Hopefully, this will be nice and easy. I don't have any reason to cuss. Oh, good. That comes off nice and easy. Yes. I don't have to take any of that shit off. Huh. How far? Gonna probably be a lot of hemming and hawing too. Okay. I don't know, maybe I can get this cover off without having to remove this. And that would be absolutely glorious. Oh, you gotta remove the bolt all the fucking way. Yeah. Well, I guess it keeps it from falling off on the road, so that's good. Really don't want to take that off. Yeah, I'm gonna. Boards off. I'm gonna have to take the boards off. Everything's got to come off. This sucks. Kind of nice. I'm using the footboard like a ratchet almost. Son of a bitch. Yay, parts tray. That's lovely. All right. This is almost done. The set that I'm working with is missing the middle ratchet. I appreciate my friend for loaning it to me. But this might wind up being a part 1. Part 2? After it stops raining next week. Lovely. Y'all get to see how long I sit around and hem and haw before I decide to do what I'm going to do or not do. Time to search for Allen wrenches. Part 2 of the build video. Wait for tools to arrive. I was stupid and didn't ask him for the Allen wrenches, and so I'm stuck for half an hour waiting for tools. It's okay though, because I kind of need a little bit of a woo-saw moment, you know? I don't like working on stuff, and unless I have someone around to calm me down, that's why I film myself. I cuss less. Like, everybody cusses. Like, I cuss like a sailor when I talk. That's not what I mean when I cuss. I'm talking about, like, cussing, screaming, throwing tools, and breaking shit. Yeah, I'm one of those immature people. I'll admit it. But I can't seem to, you know, prevent it. I'm not going to make you guys sit here for the whole thing. I don't really have anything to say. Beautiful hummingbird right there. You guys can see it. Hope you guys can see it. Oh, now with my shaky ass hands. Oh well, I'll have to stabilize the video, but hummingbirds love coming around here ever since I put this fountain here. Now the fountain's not turned on. Wow, that's a lovely sound, isn't it? Alrighty then. I'll see you guys in a bit. I got here and I started wrenching on it before I even like realized I ain't got the camera out yet. There we go. There's a different view for you guys. You can actually see what I'm doing.
You gotta do all that for the clutch cable, huh?
Yep.
If you need help with anything, let me know, dude.
They really did make it about as stupid simple as possible. Kind of nice. Oh, it comes with a spring on it. Let's get that off. Nice. Now, one thing I remember them saying, oh wait, no, because I have that pin thing, never mind. There's a video that I watched and they said that you have to keep tension in the cable here to keep this from popping back out, but I actually have the fucking cotter pin. Or do I? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, don't start losing parts. Wow, not a lot of cussing from me. I was just gonna say
it's kind of nice when the job is easy as fuck.
Hi. Hi. How you doing? He's a happy little cutie.
Might even be able to ride today, huh?
Yeah.
That'll cheer you up. If it doesn't, then
Take a little pajama ride.
Sally, you go down the waterfront. You're gonna have to adjust it. Bring the shit to adjust it.
Yeah, it's this. There's another video for that, but I'm pretty sure all it involves is unscrewing this one, screwing this one until it's tight, backing it out a quarter turn, and then tightening down. Because me and you and Chris did this on my KZ1000p at Chris's parents' house down in the north end.
Yeah, I remember like it was yesterday.
And I didn't remember until I watched the video, but we had a hell of a time because unless you remove this chrome cap just a little bit, you don't even have to take it off all the way, you won't get this off of here.
What are you doing?
And so we spent like 20 minutes reefing on it. And I don't remember who it was, like, we called somebody or something. They were like, yeah, you gotta lift that cover off of there or you're gonna have problems.
No. Oh, I had you up there. You little shit. That was a good picture. God damn it. I had her up there sniffing the rabbit head. That was a great picture. Fuck. Oh, am I helping?
You can get this. There's a clip. Where did I put the clip? You pull this up and run it through and clip this to the frame bar. Clip the cable to the frame bar with this. See? Look. Like this.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking to see what they got it.
And it also has to go up through here.
Where's that clip? Where's that clip to?
That clips onto here.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's got to go behind this bar. You gotta give me some cable. Yeah, I got it pinched. I'm not pinched, but I need. Dude, I need cable.
There's a twist adjuster right here.
Can you make it to where you get more cable?
Looks like it's all the way in.
Something's not right. Where's the other one? Where's the other piece? Broke off?
Yeah.
This isn't fitting in the hole. I don't know if it just needs to be forced, but you shouldn't have to. And even then, if you did have enough cable, you gotta get it to wrap into this.
Well, this is a bit of a nightmare.
You could always grind it down a little bit, sand it down. You got the Dremel. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's just fucking annoying.
It's alright though, don't let it piss you off. It's just one of those things, you know? But what you also gotta look at too is when you get it in there, are you gonna have enough room to pull it over and get it into that harness? Or do you have to take that, you feel me? And then you gotta worry about your clutch not being able to engage.
Well, that's all.
Yeah. But this, once that's in there, right, you gotta picture it all the way over like this. And it's sitting in there like this. That's max adjustment. It pushes handle all the way over. Okay, look. How you gonna get that? How you gonna make that happen?
Well, first off, this is screwed in.
You can. Move this all the way over. God, that would be tight, bro. You gotta get this in more. Maybe close. I think you can get enough out of this to make that happen though. But first off, you gotta get that Dremel out. Ain't gonna take but a second.
Yeah, but we don't have extension cords to go all the way out here. We don't have it in.
Look.
That would be long enough.
Think so?
Yeah.
Once it's in there, yeah, I guess so. Well,
how the hell do they not make them like uniform sizes?
I'll take this off and it's got to fit freely in there. So, I mean, just take it. Oh, you can't do that. Yeah, it's just not going to go without taking some off.
I'm gonna loosen this up and move it up this way so that we can fucking see what we're doing. That would be because the other one is still in there.
I'm all asking where the other one is. No, Corey, get your grinder out. I'm stopping helping, okay? If you feel a little bit smarter, I'm glad I helped.
Oh, God, that's so fucking awesome. Time to go get my key. Actually, I have to finish putting this on.
Hugo got it. You hear me?
Huh?
Hugo got it. COVID.
Oh.
You home? Sick shit. Just got it from work. I see one more bike go by, Corey.
So I said I'm probably not even bother putting my leathers on in the gym. Probably regret it because it's
No.
cold out.
Let her up a little bit. Enjoy the ride, dude.
And then if need be, I can enjoy the slide.
You're dumb. You're not gonna slide.
Hey, you gotta have a sense of humor about that shit when you're riding these fucking things because, you know, they can and will kill you at times. And so, you know, laugh death in the face or be scared and stay home.
Okay, Jess. So I say when I'm about to enter the back door.
You know what's going on YouTube, right?
You're following me. Alright, now you're on. Oh, you're lucky. It was a Raptor. It was a Raptor. One of those little fucking Doom Buggy looking cars.
Oh. See, I wanted to get one of those because, like, before me and Gadget were gonna move in together, like, we had this huge argument. I was like, dude, I saw a guy at the fucking Popeyes on 6th Avenue with a Banshee, with a license plate and turn signals and shit. And so she looked it up. She goes, there is literally 2 roads in Washington State that actually legalize that go between a couple of farms, so that they don't get pulled over and ticketed for taking their hay baling fucking 4-wheelers across the highway. And but apparently people have snuck it by anyways because there is a road. The licensing department doesn't stop you from doing it, and they just ride them everywhere. Makes me wonder what happened when cops pull them over. Like, this isn't legal here. I'm taking this.
They have to be stupid, but they have to be just something pretty stupid.
I don't know, like what, riding a Banshee down the street?
Yeah?
think I lost anything for you. I think I put everything back on. I hope. Oh, that goes somewhere.
That never stays. Do you have this?
No, you didn't.
Okay.
I got through part of this and I sat here for like the last few minutes of the video and I was like, well, okay, I'll just use wrenches.
It's in my tool bag.
That was the whole reason why I needed your kit anyways. Is I didn't, you know, sockets would have been handy for like one spot, really, two maybe. But I needed wrenches to get up into here, and I couldn't do it without it. So thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this here, obviously.
Put these in here so it keeps them together. And I'm gonna go grab my key and see if the damn thing works because I want to get that all in one shot.
Oh, you need the tools to adjust your cable.
Oh, I'll find out.
Make sure you have them with you before you do anything. You could start it and it could just jump into gear, you know? When you put the cable, when you put the clutch down into first, you need to be able to have the tools handy right away in case you can't get it into neutral or you gotta shut the bike off.
Yeah.
Corey, you fucking taught me how to ride, and here I am fucking way off the bong resin, bro. Ah. Put that on your fucking YouTube channel, you stunner. Ah.
Nope, that ain't happening.
What'd you do? You dead?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to push it. These headlights need to go. I just need to cut them off, like literally cut them off. Because they run my battery dead and I have to push everything. So,
Cold?
here we go, folks. I will, well, catch you in the next video, I guess. It's done. Well, finally back out on the road. Thanks to Hooligan, my buddy, for loaning me his tools, and yeah, this would have been on the app Tunnit, but it's probably going to be on my YouTube channel, added to the end of the build video, maybe on Facebook story, because, you know, you don't get what you pay for with Tunnit, I guess. Merch, maybe?